Tired of watching your money disappear without a trace? Dreaming of a budget that actually works? You're not alone. But before we dive into the exciting world of budgeting, let's tackle a burning question. Does YNAB, the wildly popular budgeting app, offer a free trial? Stick around, because we're about to find out. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a game changer for many. It's based on a powerful philosophy: give every dollar a job. No more aimless spending or wondering where your money vanished. YNAB helps you track income, expenses, and savings goals with laser precision. But does this financial superhero come with a test drive? Let's investigate. The short answer is no. YNAB doesn't offer a traditional free trial with unlimited access. However, they do provide a 34-day free trial with full access to all features. Think of it as an extended test drive. This generous time frame gives you ample opportunity to explore the app's interface, understand its core principles, and decide if it's the right fit for you. Now, you might be thinking, why not just offer a free trial like everyone else? Well, YNAB believes in providing real value, not just a fleeting taste. Their 34-day trial is designed to help you build lasting budgeting habits. It's not just about trying out features, it's about learning a new way to manage your money. During your free trial, you'll gain access to all of YNAB's powerful features. You can track your income and expenses, categorize every dollar, see where your money is going, and identify areas for improvement. Set realistic budget goals, whether it's saving for a down payment, a dream vacation, or simply building an emergency fund. YNAB helps you stay on track. Prioritize spending, learn to give every dollar a job, ensuring your needs are met before your wants. Reduce stress around money. YNAB empowers you to take control of your finances and make informed decisions. But the real magic of YNAB lies in its community and support. During your trial, you'll have access to comprehensive online resources, including articles, videos, and webinars to guide you through the budgeting process. A supportive community forum, connect with other YNAB users, share tips, and get answers to your questions. Excellent customer support. YNAB's support team is known for its friendliness and helpfulness. While the 34-day trial is incredibly generous, it's important to note that you'll need to provide your credit card information to sign up. However, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. If you decide YNAB isn't for you, simply cancel your subscription before the trial expires, and you won't be charged a dime. So, there you have it. YNAB doesn't offer a traditional free trial, but its 34-day trial provides ample time to experience the power of their budgeting method. If you're serious about taking control of your finances, I highly recommend giving YNAB a try. You might just be surprised at how much it can transform your relationship with money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.